हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू अलेक्सा का किचन। सावन का महीना, रिमझिम बारिश और मसाला कॉर्न, व्हाट अ कॉम्बिनेशन। तो शुरू हो जाए। टेक बॉइल्ड कॉर्न, सम वेजेस, कोरिएंडर लीव्स, लेमन, रेड चिली पाउडर, सॉल्ट, चाट मसाला and butter. So let's get started with the recipe. Take a pan, add boiled corn in it. We have taken 2 to 3 cups of boiled corn. Now add butter to this. Cook this till the butter melts and keep mixing it. So this will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, till then I'll tell you something. We have a contest on our page, Alexa Ka Kitchen. To know more about it, wait till the end of the video. Till then we'll focus on our recipe, masala corn. So butter gives a nice glaze to our corn. You can see it. So it has almost melted. Now it's time to add some spices. So red chili powder. You can also add more if you want to make it spicy. Half a teaspoon of chaat masala to make it chatpata. Salt as per your taste. Now add veggies. So we've taken capsicum and tomatoes. You can also take onions if you want. You can also skip this if you do not want to add any veggies. So now give it a nice stir to this so that everything mixes well with the corn. So give it a stir and let it cook for 2 minutes. Till then I'll tell you all, the contest is very simple and the rules are put up on Alexa Ka Kitchen. Do not forget to see that. Now we'll squeeze half a lemon. And again mix it. The colors are so vibrant, it makes the dish look so beautiful. Now add coriander and again mix it. It's a very simple recipe. Do try this at home and enjoy with your family. So our dish is ready. It's time to serve. So I'll tell you something related to the contest. There are only three things that you need to do. First is follow us on Instagram, Alexa Ka Kitchen. Second is subscribe us on YouTube, the Crawlers group. And third is tag your friends. That's it. So do not forget to participate, guys. The winners will be getting exciting goodies. So our perfect snacks is ready for monsoon. So लीजिए मसाला कॉर्न का मज़ा सावन के महीने में। थैंक यू सो मच।